It's like we missed out on something good before this is turned into a Monospace. Yep, EPL.
Going up.
Don't you miss when... Oh, LED, nice. This is 10 Finchley Street,
Second
Milton.
floor.
Nice LED though, which makes up for it, I guess.
Going down.
Until 2019. Nice tan. 800 kilograms, 10 persons.
Ground floor. Going up.
The best build quality though, it's very bubbly. Don't you miss when like 3 floor buildings like this have like EPLs and stuff? It's like
Going down.
so high end for a building like this, yet they still got it because people. Well, I guess it's pretty nice they replaced it with one of these instead of like a cheap crappy lift shop or something.
First floor.
And that'd be a downgrade. But yeah, there it is.